Welcome to the Collision Hub Virtual OEM Welding Validation Series. By now, the Weld Training and OEM Validation Series online course and the OEM specific Weld Validation online course have both been added to your Collision Hub account. You must complete both of these courses prior to scheduling your coaching session. In the coaching session, your coach will work with you on machine setup and welding technique. Once you and your coach feel you're ready for testing, they'll work with you to schedule your OEM validation test. This video will give you an overview of what to expect and how to prepare for your coaching and testing sessions. In addition to this video, the link that you use to access this video has short videos on how to pair your Bluetooth headphones with your mobile device, how to download and access Zoom, the meeting software we'll be using for the coaching and testing sessions, and tips on using the phone stand that we sent you. Just like doing collision repairs, your success in this program will rely heavily on your preparation. Your preparation for this program includes making sure that you have all the tools, equipment, and materials ready for your coaching and testing sessions. Because we'll be welding on OEM material, you'll need to make your coupons in advance of the sessions. You can use discarded parts or unused portions of service parts, but it's important that you use the OEM material for both coaching and testing sessions. That's the focus of this validation series. You'll want to have several coupons to make the OEM welds, so make sure you have plenty of material on hand. The coupons should be large enough to make the required welds, but not so large that they're cumbersome to work with. You'll also want to ensure that the joint areas are clean and all the plug weld holes are punched or drilled before the sessions. Make sure to use the OEM recommended size for plug weld holes and have the procedure ready for your coach. To identify the welding joints you'll be making, refer to the OEM recommendations for the part you'll be welding. For example, if I'm going to be using this B-pillar for my coaching and testing, I'll need to research the procedures and identify the joints required. So what else do you need for the coaching and testing sessions? Let's take a look. You'll have to ensure you've got the correct size and type of electrode wire, the proper shielding gas, and extra contact tips, and maybe an extra shielding gas nozzle just to be safe. You'll need a table or stand to clamp your welding coupons on, and a table or stand to attach your phone stand to. Be sure you have locking pliers, side cutting pliers, and a vise. The vise will be used to destructively test your welded coupons. Make sure you have the proper safety equipment, including a welding helmet, safety glasses, a respirator, welding jacket and gloves, and leather shoes or boots. You'll also need your paired Bluetooth headphones and the phone stand that we shipped. With all these items, you'll be ready for your coaching and testing sessions. Good luck.